Introduction. The invisible divide. Most people move through life believing success is something external, something earned through luck, background, or circumstance. This book begins with a radical idea. Wealth begins as a state of mind before it becomes a physical reality. History shows that those who accumulate great wealth do so only after they adopt a certain way of thinking. Not optimism, not wishful thinking, but focused intention, backed by emotional conviction. The central premise is simple, yet demanding. Whatever the mind can clearly conceive and emotionally believe, it can move toward. This audiobook is not about money alone. It is about personal power, self-direction, and mental discipline. Chapter 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Every achievement begins with desire, but not a vague wish. Desire in its powerful form is obsession with direction. Most people want success the way they want good weather. They would like it, but not enough to reorganize their lives around it. Those who succeed decide exactly what they want, exactly what they are willing to give in return, exactly when they intend to claim it. Desire must be specific, emotionally charged, and constantly reinforced. When desire becomes dominant, the mind begins filtering reality differently. Opportunities appear where none existed before. This is not magic. It is selective focus combined with persistence. Chapter 2. Faith. The emotional engine. Faith is not religious belief. It is confidence born of repetition. The mind accepts what it hears repeatedly, especially when emotion is involved. This is why self-talk matters. When you repeatedly affirm limitation, the subconscious obeys. When you repeatedly affirm purpose, the subconscious organizes behavior to match. Repetition, emotional engagement, mental rehearsal. Confidence is not inherited. Chapter 3. Autosuggestion. Programming the subconscious. The subconscious mind does not judge truth. It accepts impression. Autosuggestion is the practice of deliberately feeding the subconscious with ideas aligned with your goal. Spoken aloud, repeated daily. Most people unknowingly practice autosuggestion through fear, doubt, and worry. Your results in life are not random. Know how to organize it. You do not need to know everything. You need to know how to access what you don't know. Specialized knowledge grows through curiosity and intention, not formal schooling alone. Chapter 5. Imagination. The workshop of the mind. All progress begins as imagination. Every invention, business, and system was once an idea shaped in the mind. There are two forms of imagination: Creative, original insight. Synthetic, combining existing ideas, both are powerful. Imagination becomes productive when paired with desire and planning. Without imagination, desire has no form. With imagination, thought becomes blueprint. Chapter 6. Organize planning. Turning thought into action. Ideas without action remain fantasies. Plans will fail. They are meant to. Failure is not evidence of impossibility. It is feedback. Those who succeed adapt their plans without abandoning their purpose. Action creates clarity. Stillness creates doubt.